Instagram verified status is on every one marketer's wish list, but then it can be so unclear to figure out how to get that tiny blue check for manually. If you've been doubting how to get verified on Instagram, search no further. We've got the answers about your requirement. We've analyzed, tested and examined the best ways to become verified on Instagram. In this video, we are going over common queries like what Instagram verified means, why you need an Instagram verified badge, and how to apply for verification. Instagram verification means an account is confirmed to be the authentic of a notable public figure, celebrity or global brand it represents. The blue badge is assumed to well-known people and brands on Instagram. It's actually important to avoid imposter accounts and copycats. Bogus accounts, copycats and impersonators target well-known and significant accounts on social media. These frauds use their likeness to trick unwary followers. Let's open Instagram from the Facebook page. Like and follow hacking page. You can ask any query on this page regarding ethical hacking. You have to open setting from the page, then open Instagram account. You can also open Instagram account from the Instagram Android or iOS application. The application procedure for Instagram verification is truly easy. You just need to follow these steps. 1. Visit your profile, then tap the menu button in the top right corner. 2. Tap the settings icon, it looks like a little gear. 3. Tap the account icon. 4. Tap request verification near the bottom. 5. Fill out your full name, professional name, and category. 6. Upload a picture of your ID or business document. 7. Click send when your application is complete. Make sure to read the section where you attach your ID. You will essential a government ID that evidently states your name and date of birth, like a driver's license, passport or national ID, or business documents similar to tax filings or a utility bill if you're requesting verification for a business or brand. Instagram will let you know once they've reviewed your appeal. My official reply came 2 days afterward I applied. Since I'm authentic, unique, and have a complete profile, the problem appears to be that I'm not notable enough. Oh fine. It was worth a try. In fact, the notable necessity is where most accounts typically don't pass muster yet. Don't worry, we have some tips to help.